Hello and welcome to your very own Parscore training. I'm going to be going through some very basic steps to help you guys get acclimated to the system. We can still meet one-on-one to go through this this process, and I can show you some of the intricacies of it, but overall it's very simple. It'll take you 1 or 2 exams in order to start to feel a little bit confident about your abilities to process through the exams using this system. The great thing about the Parscore is its ability to analyze your tests, and it actually minimizes the time of grading and increases the accuracy, and that's the important aspects of utilizing this system, implementing this system here at Athena. In this short introductory session, I'm going to show you how to create a course. I'm going to move the computer around a little bit, but I'm going to focus in on the desktop in order to teach you how to design, create your course for each of your classes. We're going to click on the Parscore here. You can see my cursor moving around a little bit right there. We're going to click on that, and then it logs in, and then within the login screen right here you're going to type in your login name, which almost everybody already has login access, and it's simply your first name and last name with the first letter of your first name capitalized and first letter of your last name capitalized, and that's both your login and password. And then you're going to click login in the middle. I know you can't see it super well here, but I'm going to be guiding just through the steps, and I do have a handout for this as well. So the next step is going to be many individuals are going to need to start by creating a course. So we're going to go to New, and you type in your instructor's name, and then you do the course ID, which I typically create a number of data points for this in order to simplify it later when I'm trying to log in at another point. So I'll put PN105-MS2- and then I typically put the course or the class cohort, so 1310 or 1401 or whatever it may be. And then course title, just Med-Surg to whatever you want. The description you don't need, the time, date, term, you don't need those. And then you can click OK. And then it creates the new course right here. And then every time you want to access that course, you're going to double click on it or click open. Either one is fine. You just click open. The first thing that pops up is this course backup option, and I simply click OK, and then it tells me it was successfully backed up to the course backup file, and then I click OK. At that point it's going to open up into your course. In the top left hand corner you have roster, criteria, keys, scoring, and students. Now you'll notice that everything is blank here. And that's just because no students have been added. You don't need to add them individually. The first time you run an exam, you can auto-enroll your students, and that makes it super easy to create your class list, your class roster. So the first thing you have to do is go up here to this 3 bars icon, and that's your column icon, and then this new window is going to pop up in the middle, and you're going to look for the third item, which is exam, and you're going to click on the number of columns, and you're just going to enter 1. Every time you create an exam or an assignment or whatever, you just go into that column and you create the number of columns, and you just need 1 each time. So I just add 1, and then that adds my exam column into the toolbar here. That's about all you need to do the first time you log in and create a class. When you're done accessing and utilizing the course, you want to go up and close course icon here, and then it backs you up, and you just go ahead and exit out of that, and it takes you back to the desktop.